comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Merry Christmas to each one of you.
Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 1. Can I get the camera out my... Well, unless you want to pay for it, then I suggest you don't do that. Again, let me cover up my forehead just a little bit. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 1. This is my first Vlogmas like ever, and don't know how it's gonna go because I kind of lead a boring life. I don't really do much, so I'm not even gonna lie, like I don't really even have friends. I'm just gonna start off Vlogmas day 1 with doing some, I don't know, I was gonna think about doing some like baking, like Christmas baking stuff, and then watching like some Christmas movies. Majesty, she's doing her thing, but yeah, that, and then maybe like, because I have literally just work to do and then getting packages, so it's gonna feel like Christmas because I'm like gonna get some packages today and I'm very excited. Tomorrow I'm making a YouTube video so I can show you guys how I do that. Tomorrow I'm also going to be, I guess me and my sister are gonna go, ooh, I'm bright. Tomorrow we're also gonna be getting some decoration because I'm pretty sure, as you have seen in the intro for our Vlogmas, that like we have no decorations around here. So we have to do that as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some Christmas music because I really do love Christmas music. Like, a person can dream. Okay. Guys, here we are about 10 years later. Nah, it's just been like a few hours, but still, and I finished making the intro. It's a really special thing to have like a cool Vlogmas intro. Everybody usually makes a cool intro, so I'm doing the most with what I have. I hope you guys actually really liked it. Like, I tried really hard. Anyway, bless you. Y'all, she's just been sleeping over here in this corner, yawning. I know your breath stink. I am gonna go ahead and make some food. It is currently 3:21. I told y'all how boring this first day is gonna be because I'm literally not going anywhere. Like, it's just, I just now decided to do Vlogmas today, so don't judge, okay? Don't judge if this first day is boring. I'm sorry. I promise you the next days to come will at least involve me getting outside the house, okay? I'm not gonna guarantee like, ooh, extravagant party. Oh no, I am gonna guarantee y'all a party. We have a party I'm going to on December, what, the 9th or the 7th? I think it's the 9th. So take y'all with me. I'm just gonna heat up some pasta that I had, I don't know, made yesterday. And yeah, I don't even, like, I'm just gonna heat that up cause your girl is starving. Ho ho ho, here we go. Do, 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 do. Hey guys, I took my hair out of my, you know, bonnet, and yes, I know that my wig is not laid, okay? Like, I'm fully aware. I feel really crusty, so I just took it out of the bonnet, kind of wet it up a little bit, you know. If you want to know some more about this hair, this is from Alya hair. I did a review on it. It's my last video, literally my recent video, so check it out if you want some deets on this hair or if you want the actual bundle. Let me show y'all something real quick, because my sister thinks she's slick, so I'm just gonna put her on blast for doing some real dirty stuff to me. So she thought it was a cute idea to literally throw all of her shedding hair in my dirty clothes basket. So you know what, me and this tumbleweed are gonna take another trip to my sister's room so that I can put it in a nice place for her. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, put that right in there. Yes. Yes. Okay, got the scissors. Y'all, it feels like Christmas every time I get a package. I think this might be the adapter piece to my headphones. It's the Lightning headphone adapter jack for Apple headphones. I had the 8+ and like I freaking lost mine when I went down to Fort Lauderdale for Thanksgiving. I don't even know where it's at. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is go take out the trash. I need both my hands to be able to take out the trash, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna come back and clean up the place. And before you know it, it'll be Vlogmas day 2, because I don't know if we're gonna bake tonight because my sister isn't back yet. I wanted to bake with her, so if she does, then you'll see another clip of us baking. But if not, then be ready for Vlogmas day number 2.